Alright, welcome back. As I said that we want to draw the surface development of the frustum of this hexagonal oblique pyramid as we have here. So now, alright, so I'm going to draw a horizontal line from this point. So I will draw a horizontal line. So from here, so I draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, so I will this point. I will take it as the starting point. So I take this point as the starting point here. So that is, I will call it point A. So as we have A here, so I will call this point, I will call it point A here. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to take my compass. So these are the true lengths. So I'm not going to look for the true length. So these are the true lengths. So distance from here to here is the true length. Distance from here to here is the true length. And from here to here is the true length, from here to here is the true length. So that's what I'm going to take. So I'll just take the first one, which is A4 prime, as the one that I'm going to use to draw an arc. So I will take this distance from here to here like this. Okay, so I'll take this distance, then I will put it at point A here. Put it at this point A here. Okay, then I will draw an arc. Okay, I'll draw an arc like this. Okay, so having drawn this arc, so we are opening from here. Don't forget that the seam is here, so this is where we are asked to use for the seam, as we have in the first one, which is for an oblique cone. So the seam is also here. We are also taking it from that point. So what I need to do now is to take distance, this distance here on the hexagon. I will take this distance. So then I take this distance and put it at this point. So this will be my point 1, because we are opening from point 1 here. So this will be point 1. So here I will put 1 here. So this is 1. I put 1 here. So then I will put the pinpoint on my compass here, and I will make 6 arcs. So this is 1. Okay. So this is 2. So this is 3. This is 4. This is 5. And this is 6. Okay. So I'm going to number this. So if we start from here, so we are going to have 1 1 on both sides here. So 1 here, 1 here. Then we have what? We have 2. And here we have what? Here we have 6. Then we have what? We have 3 here. And here we have 5. Then here we have 4 here in the middle. So the next thing I'm going to do is to join each of these points with point A. So I will draw a line from here to here. So here I will draw a line from here to here. So here I will draw a line. Okay. Then from here I will draw a line. Here I will draw a line. And here also I will draw a line. Okay, so having done this, the next thing that we are going to do is that I'll take my compass and take the distance from A to this point where the cutting plane meets these lines. Okay, so where it touches each of these lines. So I will take for 1 prime, as we have here, distance from here to here. Okay, so I'll bring it to point A here. So I'll make an arc here, that is on 1. Make an arc here, also on 1 here. Then from A to 2 6, so which is this point. So I will put it here and make an arc on 2, make an arc on 6. Okay, then from A to 3 5, which is this point. Okay, So I put at this point, I make an arc on 3, make an arc on 5. So the last one is 4. So I will extend to this point. Okay, then I'll put it at point A here, and I make an arc on 4. Alright, so all these points will be joined together. So we are going to join them together with straight lines. So we join this together like this. So here we join this together. So here we join this point together. Here we join this together. Then we join this together, and here we join this together. Alright, so that's what we have on that part. So that's what we have here. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do, so we take our compass again. So put at point A, here, and we extend to 1 prime at this point here. We extend to 1 prime at this point, and we bring it together to point A here. I will make an arc here on 1, make an arc here on 1. Okay, then bring it to this point again. So we take this, we extend to this point 2 6 here, 2 6 prime. Okay, so we put it at this point and make an arc on 2, make an arc on 6. Okay, so you make an arc on 6. Alright, so then, so put it at this point A here. We extend to 3 5 prime. So put it at this point. So make an arc on 3 and make an arc on 5. So this point will be joined together. I don't have to look for that or 4. It is exact to be exactly at this point. So all these points, we are going to join them together. Okay, so join them together with straight lines. Okay, so I will join this together. So all right. Okay, so we join this together. Alright, so having done this, the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to make this line a thick line from here to here. So this line will be a thick line from here to here. This line will be a thick line from here to here. So we make this line a thick line from here to here. This is also a thick line. So this is a thick line. Also this is a thick line. Alright, so with what we have here, so this is the surface development for the frustum of the hexagonal oblique pyramid as we have here. So as simple as I've shown it here, all you need to do is to practice. Alright, so as I said, just practice it. So when you practice, you surely master it. So this is how the solution will look, and if you are able to finish this, you have your 20 marks in WAEC, in NECO, or in any other examination, but it depends on how the question or how the scheme of work is or the marking guide is prepared. So thank you, keep on practicing. God bless you.